Welcome back. Catholics brethren are preparing for the resurrection of Christ on Easter Sunday. People with devotion mark the hardships faced by Jesus Christ over sins of the world. Villagers of Neura mark the 14 stations of cross as penance during the Lent season.
Lent is a penitential season of preparation for Easter. The 14 stations of cross mark the path of Christ from Pontius Pilate's Praetorium to Christ's tomb. Way of the Cross, or 14 stations of the cross, are the 14 destinations where Christ halted before he was crucified on the cross. It is devotion by the Catholic brethren, consisting of prayers before each 14 stations of cross, while commemorating the events of the Passion of Jesus. Reporter Dishant Parab for Prudent.
Sri Raishwar Institute of Engineering and IT celebrated their annual day. The theme of the day was Horizon 2014. Excelling students were awarded prizes for their achievement in academics, technical and sports activities. Interface 2014, an annual magazine, was also released.
Present time is not only for producing employees. We have to have a shift of paradigm and look out for encouraging or promoting more and more employers or entrepreneurs. And it is very heartening to learn that more than 10% of the pass outs from this college are in their own business and they are entrepreneurs and providing employment for others.
GCA beat Russia by 147 runs in GPL T20 tournament on Monday. GCA scored 241 runs. GCA's Pratnamesh Salunke smashed 136 runs out of 55 balls. Pratnamesh is the first batsman to smash a century in the GPL 2014 till now. Salunke was adjudged man of the match. Salgaonkar Sports Club and Dempo Cricket Club will clash in Tuesday fixture. Day and night match in the Tuesday fixture will see Gino taking on Chogule Warriors. Watch GPL live on Prudent.
Rohit Naik calls for tails. And tails it is.
And this time, the fielder at third man, who was very square. A good attempt there in the deep. This time, straight back to the bowler. Was it a catch? And this time, another opportunity there on his follow-through. This time the batsman coming down the track, another opportunity missed. There was a first slip in place just for that, but he couldn't stop it. A nice loopy delivery there, but giving enough time to the batsman there. This time once again, edged and taken there behind the stumps. This time wide outside the off-stump, and what a brilliant catch that was. This time in the gap, and that brings out the century for Pratnamesh Salunke, the first century of GPL. What a fantastic knock it has been. GCA have scored 241 runs.
Straight to Gajanan Asgaonkar, making no mistake about that, clearing the catch.
This time, what an excellent catch there. This is definitely Pratnamesh Salunke's day. This time they're slightly over-pitched. This one is up in the air. There is a fielder coming underneath it. The sweeper cover got on the sides underneath it, and he takes a good catch there. And this time this will be a run out there. An unfortunate run out for Captain Hardeep Singh. This is what the crowd would like to see. Some of these shots, and that will bring the crowd alive. This one has been hit straight over the fielder at long on for a 6. Excellent catch there. That is probably the catch of the tournament so far. So last 4 balls of the innings coming up. And Paila this time once again plays the sweep shot. The ball is up in the air, taken in the deep. That brings us to the end of the match.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.